just arrived at the Naka, which is one of the designed hotel, and it's very interesting. This is the lobby area. It's wide open space. And I'm waiting to be check-in. And this is where all the rooms and villas are. So interesting. And this is again the lobby, which is really one of a kind design hotel at the Naka Phuket. Yep.
And this one do not feature.
Yep.
Yes. Okay, welcome.
Wow. Thank you. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yes, definitely. I'm following you. Great.
In your bedroom, we have the telephone. You can call at number 0
Yep.
4 hours.
Yep. Thank you.
This one for the room service 24 hours.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Inside the box for the spa program.
Mm.
Okay. And this is for the Wi-Fi password.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect.
And this is the remote control
Yep.
TV. Yes.
Yep.
And in the mini bar is over there, please. Sorry.
Sorry.
At all free.
Oh, perfect.
Yes.
All included.
Yes,
Yeah.
include also.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
but for the soft drink, we are refill one time per
Okay,
day. This
okay.
is 24 hours
Okay.
if you need it. Yes. This is remote control aircon
Right.
inside. the
Yeah.
room. Yes. And we have the phone here.
Right.
Coffee 24
Perfect.
hours.
Yes.
This room, please. For the red color, maybe you go to the beach. Yes, this.
Beach towel.
This is
Yeah,
inside the
normal.
villa.
Yeah.
In the closet, we have safety box, labor, and this it you can use.
Oh, okay. The adapter.
Yeah.
That's
and this
good.
one,
The bathrooms. Yeah.
also we have the attire, umbrella, beach bag,
Right.
Yes, you want
Hair
that.
dryer. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
the plastic. We have. Sorry. Okay.
Oh.
Outdoor bathtub service
Yeah.
and
So this is
toilet
indoor.
shower.
Yeah. And then
Yes.
you have the outdoor.
Yes.
Outdoor bathtub.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you.
Yes. Everything done.
Yep. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So this is part 2 or the second part of my room tour. I'm at the Naka Phuket. I'm in room or villa 241. Actually the first part you just saw was the lady who checked me in, brought me to the room and explained everything to me. So I think I include that as the first part of my room tour, and now I'm doing the second part, which is my normal room tour, but I will go through it a little bit quicker. So when I enter into my villa, this is the pool. Okay, so this is the size of the pool, and this is the day bed area. So I moved from hotel to hotel, so actually check in pretty late. So I'm going to give you a morning view tomorrow morning of what it's like in the daytime. So the pool is pretty good in size. It's 1.45 meter deep, and you can really swim if you want to. So let me get into the room. So I just got back in. You can see it's much brighter because I turned on all the light. You know, like I moved the curtain for some natural light. So for those who have followed me for some time, you know I like bright room. And then the ladies say, you know, at the Naka, everything is romantic. So, you know, they create that romantic film. But anyway, this is the living room area, which is huge, which is in the center part of the whole villa. And then outside, you know, as I say properly, you cannot see it because of the reflection, but that is the pool that I just show it to you. Okay, so I'm not going to go through because the lady already told us that the minibar is included, the coffee machine and everything. So I'm going to walk right back into the closet area. You know, she also opened the wardrobe to show me the umbrella, to show me, yep, the bathrobes and everything. So, and then going to the back, the back part, again, I moved the curtain so you can see more clearly. It's an outside bathtub, and this is the rain shower for the inside bath, you know, with their amenity. I think Phuket, you know, for the hotels that I stay in, I'm pretty much getting rid of, you know, the small plastic bottle. So every one of them are using the bigger container. Okay, so that is the back part of my room on my villa. Oh, let me take a quick look. Okay. So getting to the front part. This is the bedroom facing the balcony. So there's no TV in this room. Okay, so this is the bedroom, you know, the romantic feel as they mentioned. Okay, so I am going out for dinner, and just follow me, I will show you more. Hello, good morning, good morning. So I wake up at the Naka Phuket, one of the design hotel. As I promised, I'm going to give you the morning day view of my one bedroom pool villa. So this is the standard room type. I'm not getting an ocean or the beachfront view. So it's the standard one bedroom pool villa, which is already nice. So you can see the design that, you know, it stands out, and that's probably, you know, the whole design concept of this hotel, with a very reasonable big size pool inside the pool villa. So this is the daytime view, and good morning Phuket. Good morning.
ออกไปแล้ว